What you're looking at is a very small lump of lithium oxide surrounded by a menagerie of materials made of nickel, manganese, and cobalt oxides. The whole clump measures 26 microns across, about the width of a human hair. Now watch closely. About halfway through the video, the lithium oxide particle will seemingly disappear. But it's not really disappearing. The mixture has been heated to about 900 degrees Celsius. That's 1,652 degrees Fahrenheit. And the lithium oxide has sublimated. That means it's been transformed into a vapor, skipping the liquid phase entirely. Once it becomes a vapor, the lithium oxide mixes with the other particles. Scientists think that this material could be used in a rechargeable battery that lasts longer than other batteries today. They also hope that the new finding of the very quick sublimation process could allow for easier and more affordable battery manufacturing.